Hey friends, if you wish to disable background Wi-Fi scanning in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. You need to disable a service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and then open services and then scroll down to the WLAN service. Since this list is in alphabetical order, it will be easy for you to find it. Okay, right click on WLAN auto config and select properties. Change it to disabled, click on apply and then on OK. Wait for a few seconds, it will be disabled, and then the background Wi-Fi scanning will be disabled as well. So if you're connected to a network, you will stay connected, but it will not scan further networks. And whenever you want that scanning to be restarted, then right click on this and select this and then change it to automatic, apply, OK, and that is it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.